Chiropractic is so cool. You just have to get your patient on the couch, crack some joints, and your patient is going to feel amazing. Isn't it? This is what all the physios are thinking, and they are crazy about doing some 2 days, 3 days workshops on chiropractitioner. But the real question over here is, does chiropracticing comes under physiotherapy or not? Can a physiotherapist with just 2 days of workshop on chiropracticing can start performing chiropracticing on the patients or not? Or what else is required to really practice chiropractic in your practice as a physiotherapist? Everything we are going to discuss in this video. First thing first, let's understand what are the course durations for both of this program and what are the actual responsibilities of both of these healthcare professionals. You all know that physiotherapy is a 4.5 years of course, including 6 months of internship, whereas chiropractic also is a 3 years of full-time course, and after that you can do 2 years of masters also, and after that if you need you can also do PhD in chiropractic. There is a All India Council of Chiropractic and Science, which is a governized body for chiropractors, where for physiotherapists we have Indian Association of Physiotherapy, which is not a government recognized body. You can also do 6 months or 1 year of certification course to become a chiropractic practitioner after 12th science, any diploma degree or any bachelor's degree from some Indian universities like CMC Vellore, MET University or SRM University. But to become physiotherapist, compulsorily you have to do 12th science with PCB and you have to attend 4 years of degree course, and after that 6 months of internship, then only you can become a physiotherapist. Chiropractic is a healthcare profession which mainly focusing on diagnosis, treatment and prevention of certain musculoskeletal conditions, especially related to spine or neuro conditions. Whereas physiotherapy is a healthcare profession which mainly focuses on diagnosing, treatment as well as prevention of any movement disorders and physical disabilities. Chiropractitioners mainly have hands-on approach to manipulate joints and spine, whereas physiotherapist gives exercises, physical modalities, rehabilitation, combination of exercise and hand-on approach for treating any kind of movement dysfunction. Chiropractic is a short-term treatment for acute condition, whereas physiotherapy is short-term as well as long-term treatment for acute and chronic both the conditions. After all this information, I am sure that you are clear about what is chiropractic and what is physiotherapy and how these both are completely different when it comes to practice for treating different conditions of our patients. It's my humble request to all you physios that don't get simply attracted to this 2 or 3 days of certification courses to learn about the chiropractitioner, because as I mentioned, minimum 6 months of course is required to practice chiropractic. And again, you need to remember that physiotherapy is always higher in compared to chiropractic when it comes to treat different conditions related to musculoskeletal condition or any other specialty. Other than this, if you still have any doubts or any suggestions for me, do let me know in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe Physio Trends for more and more videos like this.